Okay, good morning class. So today we're looking at polynomials. We're looking at basically the second lesson. So we spoke about the definition of polynomials. So today we're going to look at examples for exercise 3, 4, 5 and 6. Let's check if it goes up until 6 or 5. 6 and 7. Okay, so however the homework we're going to break up over the next 2-3 days. But we're looking at the exercises 2 to 7 in this video. Okay. Okay, wait. I'm rather going to break it up. I'm going to do exercise 2 and 3 today. Okay? 2, 3 and 2, 3 and 4. We'll do today. Okay? So it's not too much because I realize now it's a bit too much for you guys. Okay? So we're starting with examples for exercise 2. Okay. So in the remaining part of the chapter we shall be adding, subtracting, multiplying and dividing polynomials. Okay. So the first of the examples is the addition rule. Okay. The example saying add the following polynomial. We got 2a squared minus 3a plus 5. Then the second expression is negative 5a plus 2. And of course the third expression is going to be 3 minus a plus 5a squared. Now of course there's two ways of doing this. Okay? There's a horizontal method and there's a vertical method. So what you guys were dealt with thus far is the horizontal method. Okay. So if I add all of these terms up, then it should add with us, it will simply be negative 2a squared minus 3a plus 5. So that is the first expression. Not so. So what must be added to it is negative 5a plus 2. And what must be added to that is 3 minus a plus 5a. Okay, I can write that down. Don't forget you must write the reference. No? This example is on page 24. Okay, so what do we do from here now? We add like terms, not so. So negative 2a squared is a like term to 5a squared, not so. Negative 3a is a like term to negative 5a, which is also a like term to negative a. 5 is a like term to 2, which is a like term to 3. Right. So add your like terms quickly. So what's negative 2a squared plus 5a squared? 3a squared. What is negative 3a minus 5a? 8a. Negative 8a. Negative 8a minus a? Negative 9a. Remember, if there's no coefficient there, we know there's a 1. Not so? What's 5 plus 2? 7. And 7 plus 3? Can I add these terms here? No. Why? Unlike terms. Alright, you guys understand? Is there any confusion? Alright. So now, of course, there's a vertical method as well. Any questions? No? There's a vertical method as well. Okay? Look at the vertical method. As we said, this is the horizontal method, you're going across, so of course the vertical method is going down. So what we do is we say, okay, for the vertical method is going to be negative 2a squared minus 3a plus 5, which is the first expression. Not so. Then what we do is, below this, we put the like terms of that expression. Okay, so if we're looking at the second expression, which is negative 5a plus 2, will the negative 5a go under negative 2a squared or negative 3a? Why? Because they are like terms. So it's negative 5a there. And then plus 2 will go under the 5. You will agree with that? The other end, for that expression, the 3 will go under the 2. So it's constants, not so. Where will the negative a go under? The 5. So this 3 will be positive or negative? Positive. No sign means positive. Where would 5a squared go under? As we would do vertical addition. Can you see that, people? But in this case, remember when we did vertical addition, you got 29 plus 68. That gave me 17. I carried 1. Can you see that? Which then gives me a 97. Now here, however, there won't be a carry. You all okay with that? Why? Because they are unlike terms. Okay. So what is 5 plus 2? 7. And 7 plus 2? 10. Am I moving too fast? No, okay. What's negative 3a minus 5a? Negative 8a minus a? Negative 9a. And then of course these are the like terms, yes, the negative 2a squared. No sign means plus. Negative 2a squared plus 5a squared. Okay. Yeah, I'm just going to do exercise 2 and 3 today. I'm not going to go into 4. I don't want to lose you people. Okay. People, is there any confusion here? No. Yeah. Let's look at, so with this you should be able to do exercise 2. Okay? These are the examples for exercise 2. Let's go to the examples for exercise 3. Here it says subtraction. Subtraction. And this is on page 25. Okay. So write the example down. The example says subtract 4a squared minus 2ab plus 8b squared from negative a squared minus 3ab plus 5b squared. Now just take you one step back. If I ask you to subtract, we ask you to subtract 8 from 7. What will that answer be? Subtract 8 from 7. 7 minus 8, which is? Negative 1. What if I ask you subtract 7 from 8? Was that the same sum now? No. The 8 was first, no? Yeah. Subtract 8 from 7. 8 minus 7, which is 1. So, you guys English is really well, really good. So, you put 8 first, not so. So, I make it the rule. I don't remember all of these things. What I say is, whatever follows from my right, first. And that's how I say 8 minus 7, which is 1. We say subtract 12 from x. What will you write now? X minus 12. If you are said subtract 2 plus x from 9 minus 2x. Subtract 2 plus x from 9 minus 2x. Now what? 9 minus 2x minus, so you're subtracting 2 plus x. But remember that this whole number must be subtracted. The whole expression must be subtracted. That is why I'm going to put a bracket. You guys understand? Okay? And then what we do from here? We multiply out, gives you 9 minus 2x minus 2 minus x, and we add like terms, which is 7 minus 3x. You all okay with that? Now let's look at the example. With this in mind, okay? Let's look at the example. The example says subtract 4a squared minus 2ab plus 8b squared from negative a squared minus 3ab plus 5b squared. Okay, so of course there are two methods, the horizontal and the vertical, of course. Okay, horizontal method and the vertical method. So let's look at the horizontal method first. So the horizontal is in the straight line, not so. So what do we write first? What, and the line from, and whatever follows from we write first. So what do we write here? Negative a squared minus 3ab plus 5b squared. Not so. Minus what? 4a squared minus 2ab plus 8b squared. But what did you say? What must come here? A bracket. Because of the whole expression must be subtracted. You guys understand? So what do I do now? In pursuit of simplifying this here, get rid of that bracket, so multiply out quickly. So we get negative a squared minus 3ab plus 5b squared. That's positive times negative. So negative 4a squared. What's negative times negative? Positive. 2ab. Negative times positive? Negative 8b squared. Now what do we do? Like terms. There's negative a squared and negative 4a squared. are like terms. Negative 3ab, it's a like term too. Positive 2ab. 5a squared is a like term too. Negative 8a squared. Is there any confusion? So what is negative a squared minus 4a squared? Negative 5a squared. What's negative 3ab plus 2ab? Negative ab or 1ab. 5b squared minus 8b squared? Negative 3b. Can I add those? Why? And of course the other method is the vertical method. Not so. The vertical method. Still on the same page. So let's give that answer there. Then we're going to see if the answers are the same. Okay. Well, I'll just scroll up afterwards. So we're going to look at the vertical method now. Here they say note which polynomial is written down first. Okay. Even in vertical method, people, that gets written down first. Why? Whatever follows from your right? First. Alright. So we write negative a squared minus 3ab plus 5b squared. And then again, as we did before, what do? We put the like terms below each other. Not so. Yes? Oh, you say yes. Okay, so it's going to be 4a squared minus 2ab plus 8b squared. Okay. What are we doing? We are subtracting. Not so. So what must we say? It's actually negative a squared plus or minus? Minus 4b squared. 4a squared, sorry. Can you see that, people? And what is, remember we subtract, no? So what is negative a squared minus 4a squared? Negative 5a squared. Not so. So what are we going to do here? This is negative 3ab. So it's negative 3ab minus 2ab. What's negative times negative? Positive. So this is actually positive now. Okay? So what are we going to have? Negative 3ab plus 2ab, which is negative ab. And this one here is going to be 5b squared minus, so positive times negative is negative. Not so. So it's 5b squared minus 8b squared. And what's 5b squared minus 8b squared? What's 5 minus 8? Negative 3. So what is 5b squared minus 8b squared? Negative 3b squared. And if you look at your answer there, the same. Negative 5a squared minus ab minus 3b squared. Do you guys understand? Is there any confusion? Okay, what I could have also done was, I could have gone and say straight away, that if it comes to a subtraction sign, whatever follows from me right, first. So it's going to be negative a squared minus 3ab plus 5b squared must be subtracted by by 4b squared minus 2ab plus 8b squared. So what I do is, because I'm doing subtraction, I just change the signs on the bottom line to its opposite sign. So what's positive times negative? Negative. What's opposite to minus? Plus. What's opposite to plus? Minus. So now I just use the sign that I change it to. So So negative a squared minus 4a squared, negative 5a squared. What's negative 3ab plus 2ab? Negative ab. What is 5b squared minus 8b squared? Negative 3b squared. Okay. And that is going to be the method I'm going to apply. I'm just going to change the signs on the line. Yes, Michael?
So we tried the original signs first and then...
You just change it afterwards. Yeah. Just change it as I did here on top. Okay. Anything else? Alright, so with that you should be able to do exercise 3. I'm going to give you a couple of minutes and then I'm going to sign your books and check if you guys are on the right track. Okay.